We have finished now with the historical part, and that's the easy part. What remains to be done is to speculate about what the divine idea could be. And that's a difficult challenge because, the solid sky was not some future idea. It was an observation of what they saw the universe to be. Let me go out on a limb and present my idea of what the divine idea could be, and invite you to also think about your idea of what the divine idea could be. So, in a nutshell, my idea is that the divine idea is community. And I give 4 arguments for this proposal. The first argument is from Plato, who saw a connection between the cosmos and the city-state. But when he was challenged, he thought that the cosmos was by far the most important of the two. And of course, that was also in keeping with the Greek contempt for anything transient and their devotion to anything permanent and timeless. But if Plato were alive today, he would not see that there was anything permanent. And I take the city-state to be the equivalent of community. Now, how about someone closer to our time? How about Thomas Jefferson? Late in his life, after his presidency, he ended every speech and every letter with this precept: divide the counties into wards. And by wards he meant townships. Jefferson was haunted by the failure of the Revolution to create a local space for citizens to deliberate. Now, central to the thinking of Martin Luther King was the concept of the beloved community. The concept can be found through all his speeches and writings from the earliest to the last. In one of his first published articles, he stated that the purpose of the Montgomery bus boycott is reconciliation, redemption, and the creation of the beloved community. In 1957, writing in the newsletter of the newly formed Southern Christian Leadership Conference, he described the purpose and the goal of that organization as follows: the ultimate aim of SCLC is to foster and create the beloved community. And fourth, Michael Sandel, Harvard professor of ethics, has this quote: "We don't need more ideas. We have many ideas. What we need is a bigger idea, community. Now, based on these four arguments, it is not arbitrary to propose community as the candidate for the divine idea. As the candidate for cosmos, as God's intention in creating the universe. In the beginning, God conceived the idea of community and saw that it was good. This is the beginning of a creation story that explains to us the universe we have come to know. This is the beginning of a creation story that tells us who we are and what role we are called to play in the divine drama of creation. Could it be that God has taken as the divine project that which he or she cannot bring to completion without the collaboration of intelligent beings? Could it be that while we had nothing to do with initiating this project, we have a central role in bringing the project to completion? Could it be that while we have been waiting for God, God has been waiting for us? As the Hebrews and the Greeks saw the universe as a cosmos, we now have the opportunity to see our communities as fledgling cosmoses. Our efforts to make our communities the end points of creation can benefit from a theory of creation that recognizes community building projects as the implementation of the divine idea.